10. Keep going. 1, 2. Pull. 3.
Come on. He's still there.
4.
Come on.
5. Give me 5 more.
Come on.
1. I'm going to help you.
Come here.
Pull. 2. 3.
Come on.
Pull your whole body. 4. And all the way up. And hold it. Hold it now. Hold it there. Find the tension point. Find the tension point right there. And just stay up. I'll go down. You just think about staying up. Stay up! You're not staying up hard. More! Pull with your leg biceps. Pull. Right there. Hold it. Pull. Leg biceps. Use your whole body. Use your buttocks. Use your body to fight me. Come on. More. Pull. Okay. 1 rep. 1 more.